Money with financial analyst Keith Springer. And yesterday, we did really well.
Yeah, we had a good day yesterday. The market took off a little bit. We had some good earnings in the morning.
But we've already dropped.
Well, we got to give a little bit of
We got to give it back.
Even trees don't grow to the sky. We've got to have some cloudy days in here.
We were talking with you earlier about Apple making a date for a big announcement, and surely it's going to be the new device. Talk to me as an investor. You look at Apple and their stock price has gone up and up and up. Mm-hmm. Is anybody play timing on these? Oh, I'm going to bet this device is going to do well. I'm buying stock now based on the fact they have an announcement.
They absolutely do that. That's the whole idea of Apple buyers are mostly institutional investors because the stock is $700. So a lot of people bet that the iPhone 5 is going to really, really sell well. The problem is they couldn't make enough of them. Yeah. So this is really going to get them in a lower priced market, really compete with the Kindle Fire. Really should increase sales quite a bit, a lot. Yeah.
We have a housing report coming out?
We had a housing report. Actually, housing starts were much better than expected.
Really?
Yeah, and that's important because housing is so much part of the economy. We've got plumbers, carpenters, the cement guys, so it just helps everything along. So if we can get housing starts going, more building and housing, it employs about 11% of the population.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, certainly in our area, we know that those folks have just been desperately looking for new work. Does this mean housing prices are on the rise? Supply's down? Yes?
Supply is definitely down. The banks still hold a ton of houses. It's estimated they still hold 5 million houses that they have to throw in the market eventually.
Wow. People who have lost their houses,
right.
5 million of them in inventory.
Right, yeah, but what they're doing is they're not forcing these people out because they figure if they leave them in there, they're taking care of their lawns. So it's cheaper to let them stay there for free and take care of the property than to kick them out.
Interesting. Yeah. Really interesting.
Yeah.
And let's call it compassion. But
it's not fair to the rest of us.
Yeah, there's an upside too. Thanks very much. If you have any questions, by the way, as you'll see later on this morning, Keith joins us on Wednesday, sits on the couch, answers your questions. You can send them to money@fox40.com. Plus, he can probably answer private questions if you want to call him on the phone or talk to him that way. The phone number's on your screen, or you can just visit him through his website, keithspringer.com. Sign up for his financial newsletter as well.
Let's get to Sheldon Orvis in the Atlanta Reno Traffic Center.
Oh, thank you, Bethany.